I was able to get my hands on the whitening mouthwash by Guru Nanda. Its flavor is wild mint with 100% pure natural oils. It also has oxy-burst whitening technology, whiter teeth and fresher breath, and it's dentist recommended. This is a 2-in-1 mouthwash. This dual-action mouthwash combines hydrogen peroxide with 100% natural essential oils for safe and effective oral care. This is 2 containers in 1. The formula that has hydrogen peroxide is in the white chamber, which offers teeth whitening benefits. The blue chamber has essential oils that help create fresher breath and happier gums. When combined together, the ingredients create a pH-balanced burst of bubbles, which gently whiten teeth and remove stains. The instructions are very simple. Fill 1/4 of the cap, and there's 2 lines under the arrow that indicate where you have to fill up your cap to. The blue chamber has menthol, jasmine oil, oregano oil, tea tree oil, fennel oil, spearmint, vitamin D. It also has aloe vera. It also has peppermint, cardamom. It also has xylitol, which also helps create your own saliva so that your mouth isn't dry and your breath does not smell. And all you have to do is rinse, gargle, swish, and spit out. Do not swallow it. No artificial flavors, no alcohol, and free of fluoride, and it's never been tested on animals.